Hey guys, this is another video on Home Hustle by D, and this one is mainly for Cameroonians or people from African countries without the ability to send and receive payments via PayPal. As we all know, for those working online, many companies or services require you to have a PayPal account before you can receive payments. So far, or currently in Cameroon, for example, you can only make payments via your PayPal account. You can only send money out. You can't receive payments. So if you have an online job, you can't receive payments via PayPal. So that's the limitation we have in Cameroon right now and a few other countries. So let's look at a list of countries with the ability to send and receive payments currently via PayPal. This is their website. And you can see a long list of countries, and Cameroon is not on the list. Oops. So we just have to let's see. Which country can I use for this demonstration? Let's go with Botswana. Alright, let's go back to the main PayPal page. The country in which you are is going to be displayed in the URL. In this case, it's CM for Cameroon. And as you can see, it only provides an option for a personal account. And you see, you can only send payments. There's no option for getting paid or receiving payments. But on the contrary, if you go to, let's say, Botswana, BW, for example, and you search, you see personal and business. So with the personal account, you can get paid and you can send payments. With the business PayPal account, you can also get paid. That's by selling internationally, and you can receive as well. So we will proceed with this URL, BW for Botswana, instead of CM, Cameroon. Okay, so we can go to the sign up page. Click on sign up and you can see two options. Either you create a personal account or a business account. But I tried with the personal account and it's not possible. When you try signing up with the personal account, you can only input information for people located in Botswana. So if you want to try for another country, you go to business account. Click on continue. Okay. So here you can sign up for a business account. You need an email address. So for the purpose of demonstration in this video, I'm going to use a temporal email address, not my real email address. So there's this website called tempmail.org, and we can actually get a temporary email address for anything you want to do. In this case, we're going to get this email address to sign up for our business PayPal account. Copy to clipboard and we paste in here. Continue. So what password can we use? Temp email 1. Okay, capital letters. Temp email 1, just for the purpose of demonstration. Normally you should put in your real password and real email address. Okay, continue. Tell us about your business. You need to confirm your information to help keep your account secure. Again, everything you put in here has to be real information. Your real business contact, business details. The business contact, in this case, we'll go with, let's say, D. Last name, let's say, D. Hustle. Okay. This should be your real name, actually. Your real legal first name and last name. Business details. Home hustle by D. Okay. Then you have to choose a business phone number. As you can see, by default is Botswana because that's the country we chose from the start. So you can click on this country code tab and select Cameroon. Okay, Cameroon, and you put in a business phone number. Okay, putting in my number and business address. Let's say Aqua. District or neighborhood, not compulsory. Town, Douala. Okay. State, littoral. Okay. Postal code, not necessary. Primary currency, US dollar. Okay, I think we're good to go. And you must agree and continue. And here we go. So here you have to describe your business. What kind of business is it? Individual or sole proprietorship. Product or service keywords. Let's see. Freelance. Does this go? No. Information. Or let's just say business services. Okay. You do not need to put in a business URL. It's not mandatory, so you can skip this step. Continue. Tell us more about you, blah blah blah. Your date of birth, month. Just put in your real information. Actually, this is just for demo purposes. Yeah. Okay. Nationality, you put in Cameroon in this case, since we're doing this for Cameroonians as a case study. Cameroon. National ID number. This should be your real national ID. I think it's 9 digits for Cameroon. Okay. Home address, same as business address, and you submit. Ta-da! You have a PayPal business account created. So we need to go back to our temp mail account. You're going to see your inbox. Set up your PayPal business account. There are 2 emails from PayPal here. Just scroll to the bottom of the tempmail.org website. Set up your PayPal account, which we've done. Confirm your email. Okay, click on that email and you confirm your email here. You click on this. Confirm your email. And you need to put in the password you created. What was that again? Temp email 1. Okay. And that's it. You verified your PayPal business account and it's active. If you already have a personal PayPal Cameroon account with funds in it and you don't know how to withdraw the funds, you can just send the money to your PayPal business account you just created. It's pretty straightforward. So you just send the money as if you were sending it to some other person who has a PayPal account already. If you do not want to create a PayPal business account following this method, there's a link in the description box for a video on how you can withdraw money from your existing PayPal account. So if you come here, you're going to see that the tabs are different from the previous PayPal accounts you made under the Cameroon URL. So you go to the payment section. Okay, you can see there's a link here to add a new bank. So for those who do not have a US bank account, there's PAYONEER, which is a virtual US bank account. And you can link this PAYONEER account to your business PayPal account. I hope you found this useful for anyone out there trying to create a business PayPal account from Cameroon or any other unauthorized countries via PayPal. Please share, subscribe for more, and keep in touch. Bye-bye.